What I would like students to know about our office is that we really are here for them and we want to support them. And we want to make sure that our student programming is student-centered, and we love to hear from students on what they would like for programming. My name is Farron Lobdell, and I'm the Director of the Office of Wellbeing Programs and Initiatives. We provide programming and special events for students both on campus and through virtual options. The Office of Wellbeing Programs and Initiatives supports students by providing programs and special events to help them explore wellness and identify tools that might help them in supporting their academics. That might be through something like counseling services, health services, but it could be also connecting them with services outside of our departments, like the fitness center or tutoring, so that they can identify ways to fit those activities into their schedule, prevent stress, and develop who they are individually. And now I'll introduce you to Amanda Persons from the Davis Health Center.
I am Amanda Persons. I'm the director of the Davis Health Center. The Davis Health Center is here to support students throughout their entire academic enrollment. We are here to care for students when they're injured or when they're ill. We also do provide preventative services such as screening tests as well as questionnaires. We're here to help and support throughout the entire year. We offer many free services. So we do have, in our limited on-site lab, we offer strep tests, mono test, urinalysis, urine pregnancy screens. We also offer HIV screening. We have a self-service vending machine in our waiting area that students can access Band-Aids, throat lozenges, Tylenol, ibuprofen, antacids, decongestants. We also offer free feminine hygiene products as well. So students can come in anytime they need any of those, or even if they get injured at the gym, they can get an ice pack or hot pack. We have all of those available for students. Students may make an appointment by calling our office, or they can navigate to the student patient portal. The patient portal, you can access it via the Health Center website, or you can go to canton.edu and click on Quick Links, and it's the second option down, so it's pretty accessible. And then from there, we just have students upload their health records as well as their immunization records so that we can look at them in a secure form. I really would like to get it promoted to the students. We have many students that come to us in their junior or senior year and say that they never realized that the health center was there or what services we offer. I know when I attended college, I wasn't aware of any of the health center services we had at my college. So I think it's a very common misconception that we bill insurance through our health center as well, which we do not. We only bill insurance if we have to send out labs or send a referral or order radiology tests or anything like that. So most of our services are provided for free. So for any student that doesn't know about our services, I would say we're really welcoming. We're really here to support throughout the entire academic career here. We offer a lot of great services, and it can certainly be a hurdle to get in with a local medical practice. It can be a hurdle to even go to urgent care. I really think our health center mitigates having to be transported elsewhere or to even go to the pharmacy. We have a lot of great services that I feel are underutilized on campus.
And now I'll introduce you to Jim Shepard from the Counseling Center.
My name is Jim Shepard. I'm a licensed mental health counselor here at Canton. I've been working with the Counseling Center for about 15 years now. We primarily offer individual counseling. We also offer group counseling, couples counseling. The only criteria is you have to be an enrolled student here at SUNY Canton. In an individual session, the biggest thing you can expect is trust. And we're in a safe environment. So our goal is to provide you an open situation where you can come in and talk without having to worry about having a bias or a past history with someone. I often say friends are great, but they have all that bias with you, which they should, they're your friends. But in our office, it's this non-bias. We don't have a history. We don't know the embarrassing things you did when you were younger. So you get to come in and meet with somebody who doesn't have any history with you, who has no bias on what your situation is. We're here to just listen, help you work through things. The biggest message I would tell students, and what I encourage everyone to think about, is it's not just for us, but in general, it's like get help early. So if you're struggling, you got a little bit of stress, come in early, figure out some skills or reinforce things you've been doing, because the longer you take to address things, the worse it can get. I often use the example, it's like if you break your leg, then, it might heal on its own, it might not, but even if it heals on its own, it's probably not going to heal correctly. So if you address things early, it's going to heal quicker, you're going to be stronger, you're going to be better able to manage things. So, connecting with counseling, connecting with the health center, connecting with tutoring is so crucial in getting that help early. It's going to make your life so much easier down the road because you're going to have skills and resources and connections to succeed. And that's what we want for everyone, is that you're successful and you succeed and you have this balance in your life that allows you to achieve whatever you want.